What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghostfighter 2Ts. You know I'm back with another informative video. I've been dropping some heat for y'all lately. I just want you guys to stay tuned for what I got coming in a couple of days. I'll be putting that video together, but leading up to that video, I wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks and some of the experience that I've learned while detailing cars over all the years I've detailed cars. And I'm going to give you a chance to get an up close and look at what all the products are, what I use, and yeah, I'm going to show you right here on this video. So without further ado, roll the cam. What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghostfighter 2Ts, back with the next part of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that B-roll I gave you guys to kind of show you what products I use. I've been using Meguiar's and Turtles wax pretty much all my cars that I've ever owned in detail and anybody else's cars. They're good name brands. You guys don't have to use these particular ones. You guys may be using more expensive ones or not as expensive ones. They're all around $5 to $10 a bottle for any of the things that I'm about to show you for price range. And you can pretty much find most of these things at most Target, Walmart, Kmart. And I'm going to tell you where I got them from and a rough estimate of what I paid. And hopefully you guys make sure you're listening when I do this video and this information I'm going to give you, because this is information that you can take with you when you start doing your detailing. If you're starting up a detailing, this will be a how-to do video. If you're getting into detailing and you're trying to do your own business of detailing and you're doing small business where you just say, hey, would you like your car detailed? These are some of the products you're going to need and the tips that I'm going to give you as well. So let's get right on into it. So here we got the Clean and Protect by Meguiar's. Now, this is going to be your quick interior cleaner detailer, safe, clean all interior surfaces, restores and protects original appearance. Now, being when you're dealing with new cars, you definitely, with any of these products other than the wheels and the spray for wheels and the wheel cleaner, you don't want to put any of these products straight on someone's brand new vehicle. You want to apply them to what you call these fiber optic rags. You apply it to the rag, rub the rag around a little bit, and then you begin to wipe things off. Because what will happen is if you use these type of items and you don't know what you're doing, you can mess up someone's car. I've been doing this for many years, so this information I'm giving you, take it with a grain of salt because some of you guys may be just starting out detailing, okay? So that's the interior detailer, quick detailer I'm going to be using. And then the next product is, this is my favorite. The wax and dry spray, quick and easy. If you're trying to go out on a date with your missus or your mister, you can get this, spray this on your car all over and hit it with a fiber optic wax again. I'll show you these again. This is an 8-pack. That's all you need for to detail a couple cars. You'll use that in this and spray each panel and just take your time doing each panel at a time. And it'll work out a lot better instead of going spray the whole car. Just work on a panel at a time and work your way around the vehicle and then do the hood, the windows, and the top of the roof last. But yes, this is #1. You see they even got #1 on it. They believe that they're the best seller. Now this is one of my favorites. This stuff is awesome. It will last on your tire. This Tire Shine Tire and Coat stuff by Meguiar's will last on your car for weeks at a time. Depending on the type of tire you have, some may last longer than others, meaning not this stuff. This stuff will last forever on your tire if you have the right tire that likes this spray. So this, I found that any tire that I've sprayed since I've been doing detailing, it holds to that tire. So this is some really good stuff. It's gives tire deep black wet look, and it is true. It gives it that is definitely the one that people use at car shows. Next item, this is going to be a combo I'm going to be showing you with this Turtle Beach. You can get this at Target. It's a 3-gallon bucket, and when I'm dealing with high-end cars, what I like to do is this is just a sponge, and then it has a side that has like a rough that can get like the grime and stuff off the front and side of the car and the wheels and stuff. So that's that, and those are fiber optic rags. You know about those. Now this is what I'll tell you. What makes this so awesome, and this is going to be a tip that you can use when you're detailing, and maybe you can start using what I'm doing. It has a grate in the bottom of it. So this grate, what it does is it catches all the dirt, rocks, and grime. It catches all that down in the bottom of the thing. So as you're taking this rag right here, and you're dipping your rag and squeezing it out, rocks and pebbles and all that falls down underneath that grate, and then it doesn't get back on the rag. And then when you go to wash off that $100,000 vehicle, they don't get scratches on their car. Yes. All right. So now y'all know how important a good bucket is. Simple good bucket, maybe $10 for a good bucket that has a grate in the bottom of it. See? All right. And then here's the quick and easy zip. This is what I like to use, the Zip Wax by Turtle. You pour, and that's about it. You pour about that much. It doesn't matter. It's going to suzz up. You're going to want to use warm water, and you're going to put that bucket in the back of the seat. Make sure that the seat is pushed against the bucket so that it doesn't spill everywhere if there were to be an accident or something were to happen. And you're only going to fill up the bucket probably about 3/4 of the way so that if you do have to fast stop, none of the water will come out into that person's car that you're detailing. This is what I do with every car that I've ever detailed. Whether they knew it or not, I know what I'm doing. So, and then here is the Meguiar's Hot Rim Wheel and Tire Cleaner for all wheel and tire cleaner. If you can spray this on the entire wheel and rim, whether it's aluminum, chrome, alloy, whatever it is, it will just clean it. It won't mess it up. I got 2 of these for $10 from Advanced Auto, and these work really good. If you guys want some great deals other than going to like a Harbor's Freight, you can go to Advanced Auto and you can get a lot of deals towards the end of the month that they have on these deals to get them sold. And it's a great product. I recommend it. They've been around since 1901. Like, yeah, they're doing good. For over 20 years, they've been rocking, 100 years, they've been rocking out, you know? So you guys will be very happy with this stuff. You'll know it's working because when you spray it all over the wheels, the whole wheel will turn brown. And that'll let you know it pulled all that dirt and recessed dirt into the wheel and the rim off of the rim and tire. And then last but not least, you have these bad boy right here. Streak-free guaranteed. And it is Stoner's Invisible Glass Cleaner. Tint Safe. These are some of the labels that are on these things. Guys, I hope that you're listening and you understand what I'm telling you. Some of these things are great things that you have to pay attention to what the wording says, because that is good information when it comes to detailing someone's car that may have tint, that may have something that's worth a lot of money on their car, and you don't want to be responsible for messing someone else's vehicle up. So you want to make sure that you get the right products and make sure that they have these, tint safe, because you can buy a regular window, just regular window cleaner, and it may have sedatives and things in it that may mess up the window eventually and do the window out. You never know with having tinted windows. So with all that being said, I appreciate you guys. I don't want to make this video any longer than me detailing and letting you guys know how to start doing detail jobs, how to get started. These are pretty much all the items you're going to need, and a little know-how, knowledge, and a little bit of a grit and grime to get in there and get the job done, I think you'll do fine. Even if you're just starting out, you have to start somewhere. Start with your mom, your dad, somebody who doesn't mind you getting down and dirty on their car. This is a hard job. This isn't something I would just tell anybody to pick up and do. It really does take talent and hard work and dedication to detail cars. And that's probably why I don't do it as much as I used to anymore. I love you guys. Make sure y'all go right here. Yeah, make sure y'all go right there. Hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. I really do appreciate you guys. God bless y'all. This goes to 2 T's, and I'm out. Peace.